Hey guys, Jan here. I wanted to show you something cool that I have been working on yesterday and today. So this tool is going to create a full copywriting and idea package. It will help you brainstorm your audiences, your benefits, keywords that you want to use, and so on. I'm doing it for my Notion templates, but at some point, I guess you will be able to do it on any kind of digital content or whether maybe even physical products. But currently, I'm basically tailoring up for Notion. So let me show you how it works. First, we will create a new product, and we will have to. This is our hard part that we will have to actually write ourselves. But for an example, let's say I'm working on an invoice template, invoice maker template, and I want to build a Notion tool that helps people organize and send templates send invoices and get paid. So the way to do it would be to start by basically describing the tool the best I can, and we'll get to it. So the product title, I can give something generic, but I want to describe what exactly am I building the package about. And for this, I will do invoice template manager. And I will say something like Notion template for managing your business invoices. Okay, then to the list of features, I will just provide a short list of what my template will have. So it will have something like a add your payment methods, invoice breakdown, what other features might invoice template have. Let's do something like easy to edit for your business needs, add your own branding. In a short description, I just want to give the very short, brief overview of what this template is about. I don't want to delegate it to the AI just yet. I want to provide it myself. And later we can iterate and find something better. Maybe AI can suggest some other ideas. But let's say something like with this invoice template, you will have full control over your invoices you send to your clients. And I provide like a short list. You are an entrepreneur. I can spell. Send to clients. Do it with style and ease. Show and control. Voice breakdown. And the call to action will be something like start with this template today. So now we get to the magic part. Once all of these four are filled, I'm going to hit create project. And you can see it added a few more elements. So first of all, we see what we created, but now we can also see the other section, which is marketing. And here we will brainstorm or pick our audience, angle, and keywords. Like our audience would be something like entrepreneurs, people who provide services, people who maybe bill someone for goods, whatever it can be. I can type it here myself, but what I can do now is I can hit this magic button and it should brainstorm some ideas for me. For example, people who want to add their own branding, entrepreneurs, small business owners. Entrepreneurs, as I've said, small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. That's exactly what my desired audience is, so it's a perfect match. Now, when I hit angle, it will contextually pull all of this data and it will build an angle for your marketing or for your sales efforts. As you can see, it gives me some ideas and I can either get inspired and write something myself, or I can just simply add an angle. So let's pick a good one. Show your clients that you mean business with a sophisticated and easy to use invoice template manager. I like it. You need a simple and elegant way to track your invoices. I like it. I like this more. You need a system to manage your invoices and business finances. This template will help you get a full overview of your spending, budget, and earnings. Let's add this one. Let's do the same with keywords. Let's pull some keywords where it can bring to us, and we will iterate over it later. So let's just go with this option. Sometimes it adds some extra spaces. You can remove those. Before we get to the sales part, we can now iterate better through the meta part. So for example, the short description, now that we provided our angle and our audience and our keywords, now we can build a little bit better descriptions. As you can see, it gives us some nice options. Let's just add some of it. In this template, you can start invoicing today. Sounds good. Try the invoice template manager today. Great. Today is mentioned here, so our call to action has been mentioned. Perfect tool for businesses of all sizes. Kind of exactly what we are talking about in our audience. We can also brainstorm our features now a little bit better. Since we import in all of the other data, our tool just learns from us and it suggests better options. So now see, maybe we can add something like that template or bills template, budget tracker. Nice. There are some ideas that I can now start implementing in my tools. Sales pipeline, invoice tracker. So maybe we want to add something like this here. I'll keep it as this. I kind of like my feature list, but at the same time, also like the dashboard mode. So maybe I will add this one. And I like the sales pipeline. Why don't I add a sales pipeline? So you can see how this not just writes for me, but it gives me some inspiration for some other ideas I can implement now. The same goes for call to action. Maybe I want to pick some different call to action. Business finances under control. Sometimes it gets repetitive, but that's okay. Create and send your first invoice in minutes. I like it. Let's go with this call to action. And since I changed this, once I start regenerating these options, you will start seeing more and more of this call to action being used in other places. Let's go and check what our title ID is. Maybe we'll have a different title. Invoice template manager, create, send, and track your invoices in one place. Love it. Create and send professional invoices with ease. I love it. Why don't we just pick this guy? So now we move to sales. And sales only gets active once we have all this information full. If I remove some of it, it's going to disappear. So we want to have everything for this insert section. So for sales, we have 3 different options. We have problem solution ideas. I really like this method. Helps me define the problem we're working in and the solution that I'm presenting to my customers. So let's just allow it to brainstorm for us, and we will pick something that works for me. Sometimes it gets longer text, sometimes it gets a little shorter. I teach it on some medium text, but let's see what it gives us. You're not tracking your invoices, so it gives us the problem first. You need a system to manage your finances. Sure. and it should present us with solution. The invoice template manager will help you keep track of your spending, budget, and earnings. I really love it. That's exactly what I want. I'm gonna look for anything else. Now, the benefits. Ideally, the benefits should kind of pull together the data from what we imported, and it should kind of map it with features, but just present it in more personable way, not more from a technical perspective, but how this tool can help you. So keep track of your spending. Easily add your own branding. I actually don't like any of these, so let's regenerate. Maybe it's gonna give us some more interesting stuff. Get paid on time with ease. Who doesn't like to get paid on time with ease? You ask me. I'm still in it. Get a full overview of your spending, budgeting, and earnings. I'm still in this. Save time. Oh my gosh. Wish someone would save my time that I spend on this tool. Let's just pull something else. Let's just pull one more. I will regenerate the results. Include your branding in the tool. And I can always edit if I want to get a little bit more details. By adding, make your invoices recognizable by adding branding in the tool. Nice. Who is this for? This will kind of aggregates our benefits and our marketing, and it will give us some ideas of more defined clients. Small business owners who want to track invoices and expenses, freelancers. Kind of seen it before, but just get it once more. So as you can see, this didn't take us a lot of time, and pretty much the whole product packaging is done. Now what's left is you have to build a product description based off all this data. That's something that I'm going to be working on next. Pulling all this stuff and building a nice product description automatically for you. Yeah, it's not out to the public just yet. Let me know what you think. Should I release it? Should I not? Should I wait? Should I kill it? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know in the comments. And DM me if you have any questions. Maybe I will give you some demo for this if you are interested in purchasing this or applying this for your business. Thank you, and you guys have a good night.